So as we look at the possible choices here, the one thing we definitely need to remember is that this is a straight line, and we know that that's going to be 180 degrees. So as we think about these, A definitely does not equal B, so it cannot be the first one. And A plus B does not equal 90 because we already know that it's 180 degrees, so that can't be the case. And then if you take 90 minus A, that doesn't equal B. We still are at 180 degrees, so it cannot be 3. Now, this next one is promising because A plus B equals 180. Well, we have the A and the B. We know that that line is 180, so guess what? Number 4 works quite nicely. Now, if I take 180 and I subtract A from it, I will get B. That is correct. If this whole thing is 180 and I take this part away, I'm going to be left with B. So that works on that one. And hold on, let me erase this part that I just drew in. And then finally, the last one is 180 equals B minus A. Well, that can't be. Let's say B is 100 and A is 80. We can't do 100 minus 80 to get 180. That doesn't equal 180, so it can't be this last one. So the only two are numbers 4 and 5.